everybody! It's your girl Yachty Girl Flavor. And this is a shop with me, and then we're gonna jump right into making some homemade pizza that me and my son came up with over the beginning of COVID and everybody was home. We did try to upgrade it, but then we had to stick back to the original ingredients that we end up using when COVID started. So let's get into it. So we're walking around. This is Walmart. And we were looking for pizza dough. Originally, when we first made this at the beginning of COVID, we used what we had, and we had tortillas, and that's what we used for the base of our pizza. We wanted to upgrade it and use pizza dough, but my local Walmart did not have pizza dough. I was like, "Do you guys have pizza dough?" And they're like, "We have pizza." So I'm like, okay. So we decided to stick to the original of the Fearless pizza and go with tortilla. Here I'm just walking around showing you guys some stuff. This is where I get my beef patty from. I definitely love this brand beef patty. I'm here looking for the tortilla is the one that I want to use because it have to be the large one because we're making pizza. So enjoy this video while we shop around in Walmart and look for ingredients and get some other random stuff that is not on our list. Can see this is the international aisle and they don't really have much, so I really try not to come to Walmart to get like Caribbean stuff, but they do have a little, but they don't have like everything. tell you guys about these. These are from Mexico, I think, and they're the same like in Jamaica. They're grater cakes and peanut cakes, which they do taste similar. I do buy them sometime when I'm craving those stuff. So we're still walking around and checking stuff out and just getting our ingredients on our list. The ingredients for our pizza, you can definitely add anything. You guys will definitely see that in towards the end because we are going to make the pizza on here. So watch till the end and see us make these Fearless Pizza, this pizza idea that we came up with to just have fun during COVID when everybody was home. So stay tuned to the end. So I did wanted to get some flowers, but these all look so dead, like they weren't going to last. Like I probably brought them home and they were going to die in a day. So I decided not to get any. Oh Lord, that was so crazy. Walmart, please do better. heading home. So stick around to watch us make these pizza, which are pretty simple and kids friendly. You can just make all the topping and they can decorate their own pizza however they want to. So here we are just decorating our pizza. We have some turkey bacon. We have some jerk chicken which is chicken breast, which I chopped up, seasoned, and just toss in the air fryer. And we have some purple onion, some bell pepper, and cheese. I'm not sure what else we have on here, but you guys will definitely see. But we have definitely made quite a lot of these over the past 2 years since COVID started because they're so fun to do. I have some where I've put pineapple, spinach. I've made so much version of these already. Shrimp. So just watch us enjoy. Yes, we have pepperoni. So just definitely watch us and enjoy us making these pizza, and definitely give them a try with your kids. You can definitely use any topping you like, any tomato sauce base you like. Put them in the oven for like 400 degrees, like 10-15 minutes, and boom, you have some delicious pizza. So stick around to the end and definitely listen out for the reviews. Enjoying us decorating our pizza. It's so fun to do. Like when we originally started it, we did it with his cousins and they definitely enjoy. I just made all the topping and everybody was just enjoying decorating their own stuff. So it's definitely a fun activity to do, especially if you have multiple kids. Also, all the stuff we bought at Walmart was, I think it was $151 and change, and I'm like, what did I buy? Because I'm like, I don't know what I bought. But yes, but we're almost coming to the end, so just stick around. We're going to stick these in the oven real soon, and then we're going to eat and enjoy. I know, even though he had those on his recipe, because he typed up his own recipe in ingredients card, I know he was not going to eat the bell pepper and the onion, which I don't mind. I love bell pepper and onions. So we're going to stick these in the oven and we're going to get rolling. So here I am just showing you guys the finished product of how it looks. Definitely yummy, definitely delicious. We have been doing this for over 2 years now since COVID. And I'm just showing you guys. It's definitely kids friendly, definitely something you can try with your kids, and it's so fun. And because the toppings are endless, you can play around with your toppings, you can pick and choose. This is mine. So yummy, so delicious, so flavorful, and it's definitely filling. Check out this review that is about to come up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. So how's your pizza?
Goody, goody.
Did you enjoy making it?
Yes.
Anything else you want to say about your pizza?
Well, I think can change the bacon with the pepperoni on it.
Oh, the bacon and the pepperoni together is good, right?
I think I need to eat it. Then get to there.
Good job, right? Let's do a high five. We did good. Yeah.